Hi, I'm Tara Gregory, Family and Consumer Sciences Agent with North Carolina Cooperative Extension. I'm back with the pressure cooker, and today we're gonna make broccoli. This is a quick, easy way to steam your broccoli that's ready for any flavors or seasonings you wanna add to it when it's all ready. So what I'm gonna start with is our trivet. I'm gonna put it inside our inner pot here, and the broccoli goes right on top. This will keep it from sitting in the water that we're gonna put in the bottom. I'm gonna add about a cup of water just to the bottom there. Gotta have that liquid so that the unit can get up to pressure. So we'll put the lid on. And I'm gonna slide it to venting up here at the top, the valve here. It's on venting, that way it'll close up and let it get to pressure. Now, it's so fast that when you set the unit, you're gonna put it on 0 minutes. This broccoli will cook just from the pot getting up to pressure. And so it's the quickest broccoli you can make. Okay, so we wanna manually release the pressure, so I've pushed this valve to venting. It was on 0 minutes, so as soon as it beeps, it got up to pressure and beeps, move that to manually release so we don't overcook our broccoli. All right, let's check out our broccoli. There it is. I'm gonna get a handle on it and move it to a cutting board. All right, now you can just cut your broccoli into whatever size you like. You can do florets, long florets, you can chop it up. And then it's ready for whatever seasonings or flavors you want. You can even use this in a recipe that you have going on. Maybe you're gonna toss it into a stir fry because there's still some firmness to the broccoli. It's soft that I could easily cut with this knife. There's still some firmness that you could toss it into a stir fry at the end, or add it as a side dish with a little Parmesan cheese, a little squeeze of lemon, whatever sounds good to you. But that was done in just 5 minutes or less.